So how do diaspora youth keep the culture alive? I think I've seen somewhere that there's more Samoans living outside of Samoa than there is in Samoa. Well, one way that is pretty big is church. For me, I used to go to two churches. I used to go to Loku Mamonga, a Palangi one, and then also a Samoan church. And they had this thing called family nights in Samoan church. And I noticed in the Samoan church, they would do a lot of ceremonies and have dancing and a lot of fun events that I didn't really experience in the Palangi church. Another big way that people stay rooted to their culture is with music. I remember listening to Samoan music with family gatherings around the holidays and on long car rides. So what other ways do people stay rooted to their culture?